the next day.
Hey kids. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video. It was great. I hope you enjoyed that. It was a short little ride, but I enjoyed it. But what I wanted to let you know was the audio, as you could tell, there was none. And the reason for that is this little device right here. This is the infamous GoPro audio adapter, which allows you to hook up a microphone via that little hole right there to the GoPro. Well, as many YouTubers know, this is a pain in the ass for a number of reasons. Well, I guess because of the ride down to the Keys, this little thing, well, it probably got a little bit too much abuse, and maybe the weather was a problem, but it ceased to function. So I have a new one on the way. Well, something a little different, not necessarily this. We're gonna try it, we'll see what happens. But so that's why there's no audio. So if you're going to be doing any YouTubing and you're gonna be using a GoPro, find an alternative to this. And if my new method works, I'll let you know what it is, and you can try it. Until then, that's it. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Not this. But if you liked it, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Oh yeah, peace out.